Hey guys, we're live at 6:42. As you can see there, battling for Wayne's 32 back Yoda. There he is. Fetch sticker on him and everything. I got 75 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to, find our winner on a Sunday evening. There they are. I'm going to paste them in over here. 75 entries. Perfect. There's our list. Perfect as well. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 to play. We did. We got a 10. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Good luck. Jason Hassel in the top spot for our first round. Josh 2. Michael takes round 3. Josh 4. Jason 5. Jason 6. Michael takes round 7. Josh round 8. Michael round 9, and in what has thus far been a 3-horse race, we've come now to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winner is Jason Lee Hassel, Yoda King, in at number 6. Here's the verification. PZUYOY. There he is, Jason and Yoda. I'm done. That's 6:44. There you see it. Again, much congrats to the winner. Thanks again, guys. See you next time.